Creating an e-commerce website in 2024 is an exciting venture. Start by choosing a niche that resonates with your passion and market demand. Research your competitors to identify gaps you can fill. Next, select a reliable platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, which offer user-friendly interfaces and customizable templates. Focus on your website's design. It should be visually appealing and easy to navigate. High-quality images and detailed product descriptions are crucial for engaging customers. Don't forget to optimize for mobile, as more shoppers are using their phones. Integrate secure payment gateways to build trust and ensure smooth transactions. Implement SEO strategies to improve your visibility on search engines and leverage social media for marketing. Finally, analyze your website's performance regularly to make data-driven improvements. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to launching a successful e-commerce site. Creating an e-commerce website in 2024 is an exciting venture. Start by choosing a niche that resonates with your passion and market demand.